Hi, my name is Kendra Walls, and this is my Broken Homes and Broken Hearts speech. Growing up in a broken home was both difficult for me and my brother, but I think it was even harder for my parents. It is now coming more and more common for kids to come from a broken home than for them to come from a family that's still together. I think that growing up in this situation has taught me many valuable lessons, and it also has showed me that being a parent is hard, and being a single parent is even harder. Being a single parent can be hard, especially with the negative effects that it has on you and on your children. But there are solutions to help overcome these effects for both you and your children. Single parents can have a difficult way to go because it has such negative effects on their children. According to the Single Parent Center website, www.singleparents.net, children of single parents can go through behavioral stress like adults. Children can feel stress just like adults can. This can cause behavioral issues in school, such as not wanting to listen to the teacher, not wanting to do their work, fighting with their peers. The same at home, not wanting to listen to their parents, just totally avoiding authority whatsoever. Like behavioral distress, there's also emotional distress. It can cause the child to feel sad, lonely, afraid, disappointed, confused, because what they are used to, their normal that they're used to, is no longer there. They're having to adapt to a whole new lifestyle. Although being a single parent, just because single parents can have negative effects on children, there are also solutions for these negative effects. Some of those include finding an activity that you enjoy, that you love, that your kids will enjoy. In my personal experience, that was one of the best ways for me because I could focus all my energy and all my attention onto that activity. For me, it was livestock judging and showing. And so instead of worried about the hurt that I was feeling from my parents, I put all of my energy into that activity that I loved, and it made me responsible for something. It made me more aware of my actions. Another solution for the negative effects is therapy. Sometimes it's hard for the kids to talk to their parents because they feel like they don't want to be on one side more than the other. And they're afraid that their parents will feel that way and that they'll use what they say against each other. And that's where therapy and talking to a stranger comes in, because they don't really know you and they don't know what's going on. They're just there to listen to what you have to say, and they don't have a comeback for you. Not only are there negative effects on children, but on the single parents as well. According to Christina Fizanic, Book of Divorce, it states that one of the biggest things that can help a single parent handle their emotions is taking time for themselves. Whether that be a walk, or whether you take a weekend away from everything, or even just listen to music. Sometimes, in order to be your best, you just need that time to just sit back and worry about nothing and just meditate. Another one of the things is getting a handle on your financial responsibilities. It's already stressful with everything else that is going on, but finances is a major stress, not just for single parents, but for anybody that is having bills to pay and have people rely on them. And so you're used to having two incomes to now you're having one. So you need a plan and budget and make sure that what you're doing is the proper way for you to keep money, and it allows you not to be so stressed and to be your best for your children. Being a single parent is hard, especially with these effects that it may have on the children, but there are solutions to help the children overcome the negative effects and the single parents as well. Being a single parent or a child from a broken family, it may feel like it will never get better. But I promise that with some help and some support, one can get through anything. Thank you for listening.